So good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to present about my venture that is a boutique. It's Apollon. Its name is Apollon. So it's not like a dream project. We have already started it over the last 8 months. So it will in future, it will turn into a big designer company, hope so. And right now we are doing just the online business by selling products through online with an average profit. So we are also doing some paid partnership with other big units of wholesale dealers. And
You
over the
can
last,
show your video, pa. Okay, proceed.
so over the last 8 9 months, we got a profit about 30 to 40,000 rupees, and I consider it is a great achievement for a beginner. And now we have started selling materials to some shops as well in our hometown, and now they are becoming our regular buyers. And we all know that regular and promised buyers are also a fact for our growth. We also do courier service across all parts of India with a time period of less than 14 days. And rather than quantity, we ensure the best quality to our customers. So sir, my slide got stuck, sir.
Okay. Then you can switch off your video.
Okay, sir.
After presenting, you can start.
Okay, now I'm talking about my the next level of my Apollon. So it's an offline mode. So our mission of that is to give every woman the means to style her own life, to make shopping a pleasant yet inexpensive for women while providing their lives with sense of confidence and beauty. And our vision is to create a global brand that provides fashionable products at affordable prices to women while achieving the goals of becoming the #1 value fashion boutique across the country. And our objectives: establish a unique clothing boutique in the city of Ernakulam, my hometown in Kerala, and provide quality clothing and customer service at a reasonable price, to provide women with unique and inexpensive clothing, and also achieve profit within the very first year itself, and continually and consistently increase the total number of customers per year. So the sales strategy is like, we would like to reward our existing customers extra discount for bringing new customers. Then direct mail campaign on grand opening, which will include 10% discount coupons, 10 days return and exchange policy, promotional and seasonal discounts. We also include clearance sales, also commission and discount to the staffs. Talking about the market visibility, the marketing of boutiques follows the conventional marketing pattern, which is dependent on the selection of the venue of the outlet and the product mix, like designs and size, as well as the promotional strategy. Operational visibility, there are a number of factors that will contribute to the success of a project. In case of our boutique, their factors can be customer satisfaction, the location, satisfy the upcoming trends, and proper care in production. So as I already told, we have already started it in a small scale type through online. So this is our Instagram page. You can all follow it. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, nice. You want everyone to follow now itself. Huh? It
Yes,
seems
sir.
that you already started your job.
Sorry, sir.
Whether you already started the job, it
Yes,
seems
sir.
like that. You are
Yes, sir.
already entered into the business.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are now doing.
Not regularly, sir. Only when we have a bunch of regular customers. Only when they ask to bring some products, we'll do. Not on a regular basis.
Oh, nice. So now you already become an entrepreneur. We need not wait for 2030. Here is an entrepreneur. Now itself we can see. Okay, what is your vision? Why you are moving towards ladies wear?
For the start, we'll only start with ladies, and in future, I'm thinking if it comes out good, we'll start menswear also. And for girls only dresses.
So you for boys no need for dress
No,
materials.
not like that. The interest for dresses is more for girls, more fashion and new trends.
So the girls like the trends more. That is your assumption, okay? So
Yes.
within how many years you will get back your investment?
Um, if I'm starting a shop, I hope I'll get back within 1.5 years, 2 years.
You are
Only.
confident that you will get back within 1.5 years?
Yes, sure. Yes, sir.
But there are more competition in this field, you know. If you are going to any mall or even local business places, commercial street, everywhere, a number of cloth centers are there. How you will go through this competition?
Right now, we have already started our online and we have made some profit out of it. And we have a regular customers also. So through them, we will get more customers. And right now, also many shops are also buying products from us. So that gives us some confidence that we'll be successful in future.
Okay, good. How you can see how Fabi is having confidence over his own business. That is very important thing. We have to learn that from him. He mentioned clearly that he is already doing that business nicely and he is attracting more number of customers at present. I think in online. Is it Fabi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. That part I like it. Another thing, you can see he is very confident in overriding the competition. So that is the main trait we need for the entrepreneurship. I don't know why he is moving towards such type of business. That is the question mark. That is his secret. We should not ask. So don't worry, Fabi, we won't ask that question. Your secret of success lies there. And another thing he mentioned clearly the marketing, how he is going to touch the Instagram. So his segment is clearly attracting the people like you. He is also mentioning concentrating on the wholesale. That's also we have to like that one. Good, Fabi, very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I hope you will get a very good income by 2025 itself. Where you are located?
Moachura, sir, Ernakulam.
Ernakulam.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, nice. Ernakulam town, that is, which is dividing Cochin as well as the Ernakulam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Where the MG University is located. I
Yes, sir.
traveled that seashore. Good, I mean. We'll move on to the next presentation. Okay. Who is going to do?
So can I do
Sir, can I
next?
present?
Yes, your name, ma?
Sir, register number 11, sir.
Yes, you can start.
Sir, can I
Your
screen
name
share?
is, yes, I have already given permission. What is your name? How we can pronounce?
Sir, Chunganbui A. Sangma.
I will pronounce as Sangma. That is
Yes, sir, that will be fine, sir.
because you know one of the famous politician named as Sangma. Whether your name came from that person?
No, sir. It's a title, sir. Surname.
Oh, nice. Good, Sangma. Start.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you
Yes.
see my screen, sir?
Yes, yes, I am able to see.
Okay, sir. So,
But I am unable to see your face.
okay, sir, 1 minute, sir. Wait, where do I go now? So I don't know where to go next.
Huh? You have to press, unmute your camera. Video option is there. Your internet is stable.
Wait. So I'll show my face later on, sir.
I am unable to see your face, ma. Anybody is able to see your face?
Oh, yes, sir. Here it is.
Ah, yes. Good. Now you are able to see. Good.
Yes, sir.
You are the
Sir.
founder of home. Yes, start.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shinganbui Isangma, and I am a founder, one of the founders of Home. So before I start into what Home is or what our project is about, I would like to promote the department. I would like to promote my state from the Department of Tourism of Meghalaya. So I would like to share a video, but I don't know where to go now.
You have to share your screen.
Yes. So can you hear the
Yes.
audio?
Audio of the video we are unable to hear. But your
So you're
voice.
able to. So are you able to hear and see?
No. You are not. You can open the video. I think as per our screenshot, you have to double click that one.
So can you hear and see now?
No, ma. But we are able to see the screen.
But not the audio.
Yes.
It's on full volume.
For you, whether it is working?
Yes, it's working. Yes,
you
it's
are able
working
to
for
see
me.
the video.
So I can hear as well as see the video, sir.
Okay, you can proceed without video now.
Sir, can you hear whatever is going on over here, sir?
Only your voice is audible. Your face is visible.
Okay, wait. I'll just stop.
Now you have stopped your face video.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can proceed without video, ma.
Okay, sir. So the whole point of having this, wait, where is it? Video was to show the nature of Meghalaya. So, sir, okay. So, since Meghalaya is filled with beautiful sceneries around, so sir, I would like to take up this project as to show around parts of Meghalaya as well as promote, as well as give counseling services. So it will not only be a service which provides, which has recreational places like, I don't know if you can see the picture over here, sir.
Yes, we are unable to see. You can proceed without that one, ma.
Yes, sir. So the pictures are something like this. So, sir, if you're not comfortable.
Yes. We are unable to see your picture.
Okay, sir. So then
You can
you
stop sharing and you can proceed.
Yes, sir. So, sir, the whole point of this was to provide not only recreational activities, but also to give mental health awareness, as well as to give counseling services. So the estimated budget would, what I have placed is around 15 lakhs. I think it would not even take 15 lakhs because we already have few plot of lands which I could use, and we could also have traditional houses to for people to sleep on, or they can also use tents, and they would not have to worry about the food or water because everything will be provided there. And what uh, camping, sightseeing, and stuff like that will be provided for them by the Department of Tourism, because I am planning to collab with the Department of Tourism, and also reach out to a few psychologists from Tura, which is my place. So we could all join hands together and not only give people uh, a beautiful place to stay in, but also to give them a peace of mind. So, sir, I would also like to conclude my short presentation by saying that if a peace of mind is what you need, then home is where you ought to be. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. Now you can switch on your video. So, good. Your presentation is nice. Only thing we are unable to see the video. Okay,
Yes,
good,
sir.
Sarma. But whether you are going to give importance for the tourism only?
No, sir. So the tourism would be handled by the Department of Tourism itself, and I will be handling the Department of Psychology, which means I will be I'll just be collaborating with the Department of Tourism, sir.
Then how you will get the income? Where is the business model here?
Yes, sir. So we would also we would co-join together in. So that's why I said that I would only be the founder, but I will also have co-founders. So they would also be able to give inputs of their ideas. Yes, sir.
Okay, then where you will get the finance? Because
Yes, sir.
tourism means number of persons are ready to give you finance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are mingling the psychologist with the tourism. So who
Yes,
will
sir.
ready to get the finance? Whether you are having sufficient cash with you or your parents are ready to support you.
Sir, since this is my idea, so I would forward this ideas to the psychologists out there in my area, and I would ask them if they are ready to join or not, or if they're ready to be a part of this project. And according to that, I would have to see how big of a space I would need, and the types of equipments I will need, sir.
Okay, good. I
Yes, sir.
think it takes more time. Are you
Yes,
sure
sir.
that you are able to start by 2030?
So this is the estimated time that I've given, because I I have not started working yet. So sir, it would take time, but this is so it's just a estimated time given for plans, sir. So it might take later than that, or it might start with that amount of the given time itself, sir.
Okay, nice. Where you are at present, in Bangalore or in your hometown?
Sir, I'm in my hometown, sir.
Oh, nice. Then what about your practicals? Or doing from there?
Yes, sir. I'm
Good.
doing from here. Yes, sir.
Okay, good, Sangma. Nice.
Thank you,
We
sir.
other students, we have to learn one thing from her. The name called home, how she used to mingle with the idea. Of course, her idea it is going to be implemented later on, but how she is managing her own hometown along with her idea. That is her mission to achieve her mission. Okay, good. We'll move on to the next. Who is going to do next? Divya?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. One second. So you can see the screen.
Yes,
right?
yes. But I am unable to see your face.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, just a second.
Yes, now you can proceed.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon. My name is Divya, and I'm the CEO of Chorus Motors. So, Chorus Motors is basically a Latin version of dance movement. So, I'll be specializing in dance movement therapy. So, my venture would be a counseling center, and we will be providing dance movement therapy sessions for our clients. So, basically, it would be a counseling center, but we'll be incorporating, yeah, or rather, we'll be more focusing on dance therapy, which is actually not that famous in India. It has its own field and establishment in abroad, but in India it's not that famous and people don't know about it. It's very unique and it's very new to India. So yeah, basically my more focus would be on dance therapy movement, and we'll be also incorporating therapies like aromatherapy, art therapy, and music therapy as well. So it would be a overall collaboration between these therapies, and I would not be following the base traditional therapies or the traditional techniques of counseling, which is like the basic individual counseling, group counseling. So I'll be more specific about my dance therapy. So yeah, my brand name is Chorus Motors, as I said, and my marketing plan. No, my vision by 2030. Okay, so my vision by 2030 is to start a training institute. So for that, before that, by 2028, I'll grab all these qualification and specialization in the field, because I have to learn and I have to be specialized in the field so that people would trust me on like being trained under me. So for that, by 2028, or rather by 2025 I'll start my counseling center, which would be the first step towards the institute, because I have to establish myself as a therapist in the field, so that people would like I have the confidence like of the people, that they can go forward and they would know that it is a field and it is a established field. And to gain confidence, I have to, like, 3 years I have to give my 3 years establishing that rapport and confidence in the people. So I'll start my counseling center by 2025. And by 2028, I am hoping and I'm sure that it will be an established center, and I could actually establish myself in the field. So, and before that, obviously, I'll go for the dance therapy graduation or the degrees. So for that, after this master's, I'll be joining dance therapy courses. So, and apart from that, also academically, I'll be trying on to, gain a qualification, that is obviously PhD. So I'll be, by 2028, I'll be an established therapist, basically.
Oh,
And burn rate, how would I control my burn rate? Okay. So uh, like, regarding this therapy sessions and dance therapy or whatever therapy, art therapy, aromatherapy, it has a lot of extraneous costs. Like, we have to use equipments, we have to use all these. For aromatherapy, for example, we have to use these perfumes and all, aroma incenses vagera stuff, oh, sorry, etc. And for the dance therapy, we need these equipments, music instruments and all. So that would be a lot of extraneous cost. To so to control that, I can actually use the business uh, model of marketplace. I can actually rent out my theater or the Audi, which I'll use for my purpose. So basically, from Monday to Friday, I'll use my place for my counseling sessions and all. First, in Saturday and Sunday, for the weekends, I can just rent out my theater or Audi for classes, dance classes or whatever classes. So that will be also an opportunity for my co-entrepreneurs or co yeah, entrepreneurs, basically. They can earn their part from that, and I can have the rent, and I can just incorporate by to cope with the burn rate. And how will I attract the VCs? Okay, so I can attract obviously my USB would be the uniqueness, because dance therapy is not something that is very popular in India. So my USB would be actually uniqueness. So I guess VCs would be actually interested to invest in my venture. And yeah, that is basically.
oh, nice. Oh, you are having a nice idea. Hmm? I like one point you mentioned, empowering the others. You are going to give space for others to do their business during Saturdays and Sundays. That I like very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mhm. Why you want to go for this thing? Hmm? Why you want to go for chorus, the dance class?
So basically, I am a dancer and I am into
Oh,
dancing.
mm,
So, and I also like counseling because my
oh,
field is counseling. So if
mm,
I have these two of the both, I have the both worlds like
mm,
together. Why not?
mm.
Because I
Very
know
nice.
that
Mm,
dance helps a lot, like music, dance, it helps a lot.
mm,
And people are not that comfortable, especially in
mm,
India, people are not that comfortable to, stand to
mm,
come up to counseling sessions. So through these therapies, they could actually gain some more, confidence to stand up and just come up for the therapies. Because a contemporary generation like us, we always want something new. We don't want to follow the traditional way. We always want something new. So I can just provide with the same results with a
mm.
new approach. Why not?
Oh, nice. That's I like dance therapy. That is important. But these type of things you can do only in Bangalore. Hmm? Where you are from?
I'm from Delhi, sir.
Oh, Delhi. Then whether you are able to attract audience in Delhi, because the trend is changing. They are moving towards a dance class because all the television channels they are portraying dance as an art. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
In this situation, how you will market your dance therapy with the traditional dance? Because you told that you are not ready to go along with the traditional one.
Mhm.
So how you people will come to you?
Yes, sir.
How you will catch them?
So I will be not providing dance classes. So it will basically will be counseling sessions only, but it's
Mm,
just an approach that I'll use dance therapy movement,
mm,
like dance movement therapy as incorporating in my sessions. So
mm.
yeah, dance classes and dance therapy sessions
Okay.
are totally two different things.
Yes, I agree. Good. I have seen one film once, a very old film, Ushwarupam, acted by Kamala Hassan. I have
Yes, sir.
seen that one. In our
Yeah.
college,
Yes, sir.
once a dance class has been set up, they used to sing that song from that film,
Okay.
and they used to mention that this dance song is used for the purpose of therapy. That is how they portrayed.
Yes, sir.
Good, I remember that one. Whether your parents will accept because you know you are having your own vision. Hmm? Whether they are ready to support you.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir. They have been a support system like from the
Hmm.
beginning. So yeah.
They are ready to support
Yes, sir.
because you need
No
some
doubt, sir.
investment or some building or some places to start up all those things.
Yes, sir. They are in full support, sir.
They are in full support.
Yes, sir.
Oh, your mom is ready to support.
Yes, sir.
Good.
They'll be
That's
more
what
happy.
they will be more happy. Huh? Where is your mom now? You are in Delhi now?
Yes, sir. I'm right now in Delhi,
You
sir.
can call your mom. I will ask.
She's not here, sir. She's
Everybody
working,
is
sir.
saying same thing. Okay, good. Divya, your vision is nice. And
Yes.
your mission to achieve that one is very, very nice. Because what I told that all the entrepreneurs should empower others. That is very nice. And how you are differentiating the traditional with the modern dance with a new brand name. I like the brand name also. Very nice. Good, Divya. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good. Yes. Who is going to present next?
Sir,
Yes, Krishnend. You are waiting for
yes.
more time. Huh? Without fear, you can start.
Sir, can I do the screen sharing?
Yes, yes, I already done for you. Now you can do.
Are you able to see, sir?
Yeah, yes, but we are unable to see your photo. We are able to see your face. We are unable to see.
Yeah, sir. 1 second. sir.
Yes, now good. Mm. As a
Good
CEO, you
afternoon.
can start. You are going to be the CEO of Green Paradise.
Good afternoon, sir.
Mm.
Good afternoon,
So you can
friends.
go for slideshow.
Yeah, yes, sir. So you'll be wondering what is all this about this green paradise thing. So I have a slightly different vision. When I heard all the other presentations, I think I have a slightly different vision from all the others. And as you all know, garden is one of the most essential luxuries that can provide happiness as well as calm your mind. But then how many of you have actually thought of taking up gardening as a career or taking up gardening as a method to generate more income? And when I was giving a thought on all these aspects, I was thinking about farming. As we all know, food, water, air are the three basic necessities that we all need. But then, are we giving due respect to the farmers who provide us with one of the basic necessities of our life, food? No. They are just treated as someone who are from a low background, who are illiterate. And this tendency is there with all of us. When we see a doctor, obviously we'll give a respect to him. But then when we see a farmer, we're like, oh, he's a farmer. So why not come up with a plan to improve their lifestyle, to improve the lifestyle of farmers? So basically, my plan is to set up a firm incorporating farmers, and farmers will be the top tier employees in my firm. And we'll be taking up orders. When I talk about orders, it's the order to create a garden in a house. Everybody are ready to come up with vegetable gardens in their house, but when we actually go and ask them, their dreams just rest in their mind and they'll come up with multiple reasons like they don't have time, lack of space, oh, how can I maintain a vegetable garden? I'm having so many work to do in my office, so how can I come back and take care of my garden? And my approach is like a full-fledged garden with essential vegetables, fruits, flowers, and it's not just a garden, but then I'll try my level best to make it look beautiful, to add to the essence of your house. Obviously, we know nature is the best thing that can add upon to the beauty of our house. And many of us, when this flat system came up, we are not really having space to beautify our house or to live according with the nature. According to the plan or according to the estimates come up with the construction people, they'll do something they need. Okay, there are some trees, there are some flowers in the background, but then what is there in your house? There is nothing. So we are here to come up with a plan where we can actually plant a garden inside your house. So everything will be purely based on scientific reasonings, and everything will be purely based on organic method of farming. And you'll be wondering, how can we set up a garden inside the house? Yes, definitely. There are various types of crops, there are various types of flowers which can be inculcated in the garden, which will look like stunning, which will add on to the beauty of your house as well. You can pluck. You will get the essential vegetables. And when you may be thinking like, hey, we can do it, we can plant the vegetables in our house, like, but then when you simply plant a crop, you may be looking into the climatic conditions of your place. You may not be looking into any other aspects. Okay, I'm just planting, maybe it will grow, maybe it will be giving me something, but then after a few months or something, oh, it didn't work out, it's just gone, so I'm just stopping with this. I will not be able to go on with this vegetable garden setup in my house. I can just go to the market and buy vegetables. But then our firm, when we are going to start, we'll be coming to your house, we'll be exploring your area, we'll be taking up, if the garden is to be set up outside the house, we'll be taking up the soil, we'll be looking into all the aspects, and we will be suggesting you what type of crops, what type of flowers and fruits will be suitable to your area. And moreover, a customized setup of a garden. We'll be looking forward into a customized customized model of a garden. You can suggest us. We'll be coming with a plan, but then if you need any other modifications, you can always approach us. We are ready to fulfill your desire. And as I said, our top tier employees will always be farmers. And they won't be just considered as farmers. They are equal to any other people who work in a company. So obviously my firm will be known as a company. So then who are my employees? They are farmers. And they'll be having a fixed salary. Fixed salary in the sense I'll be providing them with the salaries which can be utilized to generate more income, which can be utilized to have a better lifestyle. Maybe people will be thinking like how it all can work. When I talk about the work burn rate, how is it going to happen? As you all know, I am from a counseling background, so obviously I'll be having my counseling clinic setup going on. I'll be having my clients, so I'll be more engaged with my counseling sessions as well. So the income I generate from my counseling center, I can utilize it for this firm as well. And when I talk about my counseling center, it will be also different. Everything what I focus on will be more based upon nature. So I can generate the income from there, and I can utilize the income to flourish or to add on to more essence into my beautiful venture. And this is a quote which I've come up with. There is pleasure in the green paradise to face towards the sunshine. It's me to redefine the life. There is craziest happiness when you look into those smiling flowers. So my ultimate vision is to improve the lifestyle of farmers, and my ultimate vision is to make them gain certain respect, which the other professionals are obviously getting in this scenario. Thank you, sir.
Okay, nice. From the green paradise, huh? So first thing I appreciate because you have selected a different area, that to gardening, how the garden is going to help. Huh? That is the plus point you mentioned clearly. Then you are very clear about that gardening. You justified your project nicely. Hmm? But the first question is from what will be your business model? Where you will get income for this?
Sir, obviously, as I talked, I'll be getting income from my counseling center, because I'll be having a counseling center, and I am from my family is into farming. So obviously, I have my areas, and I can generate income from that as well. So I can utilize the income for my. So they'll be happy when I come up with such a initiative. They'll be obviously happy.
So you are from income from your counseling, you are using the gardening. Then
Yeah,
whether
yes,
the gardening will generate income.
Yes, sir, definitely. Because when we move on to the urban centers, people are looking forward, how to beautify their houses along with nature. They are constantly into research on how to beautify their houses with the help of nature. So when we are into the setup, obviously we'll be able to generate incomes within few years. Once we are able to establish, we'll be able to generate income.
So you are going to give importance for interiors with green plants.
Yes, I'll be giving importance to interiors, and if they are having area outside their house, obviously, but then it won't be like a usual garden setup. It will be something different, which incorporates everything.
Nice. Your idea is nice, but are you able to identify good customers for you?
Yes, sir. As a startup, like nearby my home, there was my neighbor who was planning to set up a garden. So I helped them with this. They were purely into this green glass lawn setting. But then when I went and talked to them, like, why don't add on with some vegetables or some trees or something like that? They were like, yeah, it is actually good. Why can't we incorporate that into our garden setup? And they are actually into the process of making their garden where vegetables, fruits, flowers, everything are there.
Okay, nice. Where you are now? In Bangalore?
I'm in Kerala, sir, now.
Kerala, which
no,
place?
sir, in Kerala.
Which
Yes.
place?
Kannur.
Oh, Kannur. Whether you are having a
Yeah.
potential market in Kannur?
Even in Kannur, we have potential market now, sir. When we move into the cities, Kannur city and all, yeah, people are actually looking forward for all these types of customized gardening setups.
Oh, in case of Bangalore means it is okay. Why? That's why I'm asking. Okay,
Yeah,
nice.
obviously we won't be sticking upon to one area, sir. We'll be just expanding our firm to various other areas.
Okay, good idea. But your investment, from where you will invest?
I am not looking upon for VCs or venture capitalists as such, because as I told, I have a certain, I have some amount in my hand, which my family obviously will be providing me from the income they generate. So I can utilize that for the initial setup, and gradually I'll be able to do it, sir.
Okay, very good. Good, man. Thank you. Your
Thank you,
vision
sir.
will achieve.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Okay, we'll go for next presentation. think who is ready? Somebody.
Sir, can you do screen? Allow me screen.
Yes, ma. Neha. I have given permission.
How do you?
Okay. Aram gar aur kane ka char. It looks like a nice song, ma. Where you are from?
I'm from Bangalore, sir.
Then your brand name is in Hindi?
Yes, sir. I'm basically a Marwadi, so my brand name is in
Yes. What does it actually mean? Aram gar aur kane ka gar.
Aram ka ghar or khane ka ghar is basically a place where you can eat your food and plus relax.
Oh.
So sum up to both, it's just your home sweet home. So Aram ka ghar and khane ka ghar is a symbol of your own house.
Yes, yes.
So
I don't mistake me. I thought that it is you are going to take a very nice movie. Huh? Okay, start. Nice.
1 second. So in this,
We are unable to see your face, Megha.
even I'm trying to see how do I mean, on the camera. So can you see?
Yes,
me?
yes, now.
So Aram ka ghar and khane ka ghar is basically where you can uh, my lookup is where you can come and relax. So sometimes when you have a bad day and you can't go home and you're frustrated with the workload and your job, you are trying a lot of things and you cannot get back home. Some people come from different places in different towns and to work, and that time when they can't go home, so this is going to be a shelter for them, plus where they can even get food. So Aram ka ghar and khane ka ghar is that's the name of my my place, and this also symbolizes that Aram ka ghar is nothing but a relaxation place. So where you can come and relax and just lay down and think what happened the entire day and figure out what you can do, what can you can do next. And khane ka ghar is where you can make your own food, plus there's going to be a chef or a maraj who's going to cook the food and give it to you, and whatever you say it is going to be there. But in my Aram ka ghar there's even going to be a place where there's going to be an art wall. So if some people even just come to eat, they can just I'll have a counter there where there will be stationery kept and pages, sticker posts and everything be kept, and so they can write whatever they feel. So it's going to be a thought wall, so they can place their work or they can do their art, anything can be done there. And plus I'm going to even have a small live garden inside the place, outside matlab the in the veranda balcony side, where they can come and plant their own sapling. I will have different saplings thing, and they can take any of the sapling and plant. At the end of the day, if they are at sometimes if they are regular customers and their plants are grown, they can take that home. So it's again investing their nature in their house. How Krishnendu told that her idea is to take nature to homes. That's what people are doing now. So even I have a little bit of that thought in this. And with both of this, Aram Ka Ghar is also going to be a counseling center where there are going to be rooms for some people to come and relax, and plus there are going to be rooms where people can come and take counseling. So I will tie up with different counselors, basically my friends who are in the field of counseling. They can have they can take the counseling sessions if they need. It's all upon them. If they want, they can take, or just they want to come and relax, they can relax. They can have their own time, and all of this. Yeah, that's it, sir. Thank you.
That's all. Okay, nice. Megha, you have mentioned investment in nature. I don't know why more all the psychology students you are all moving towards nature. Is there any motive beyond that one?
So nature is one thing that connects everybody, and food is one thing that connects everybody. So I think all of us are in that line where food and nature can go hand in hand. If you don't take care of your nature, then there's no value of your food in the coming life. That's it.
Then your classmate will be the competitor for you.
No, sir, I'm not going to competition with her. I will take ideas from her and I'll try establishing in my place also.
They are also going to do same type of business, you know.
No, my business is going to be totally different. Nobody is going to have a relaxation room in a counseling center. I'm just having one extra room, extra medication room and everything in the relaxation center.
But it is very costly.
No, sir. We have a flat in HBR layout, Hebal, Hennur side, not in HBR layout, Hennur side. There's a
Hennur.
flat. There's a flat, our own flat, which is now on rent. In future, I can take that flat and just renovate it. And my brother itself is an interior designer. So the costing also becomes less. And my other family members are into ply and carpentry. So again, the costing becomes less.
Oh, nice. That means you want to create a nice business idea with your own family members.
Yes, sir.
Good. That is the integration. How you are going to integrate with your family members, going along with them, grow along with the family members. Nice idea. I like that one. Good. Very nice idea. Okay, ma. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That too, you are in Hennur.
Pardon?
You are in Hennur?
No, sir. I stay in Coxtown.
Oh, Coxtown. Okay. But already your parents invested. You are going to reap the investment.
Yes, sir. Probably.
Yes. Whether your dad will accept?
Yes, sir. I have spoken to them about this idea and everybody thinks it's a different idea. And my house is also going to be involved. My family members are also going to be involved.
Good.
So
Then we have to wait and see. Your husband should also accept, in future.
I'll probably make him understand, sir. I'm a counselor. I can make him understand.
I like that. Huh? You can see that is her confidence level. How she is making. After her marriage, she will counsel her husband and bring him to her level. Good, Megha.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Who is going to present next?
So I'm going. I'll present.
Yes, Raksha. After a long time, your dream is going to satisfy. Jude sir told a nice story about you.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay.
Elsie madam also recommended your name.
Oh. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So can I share my screen now?
Yes, you can share now.
One minute, sir. So can you see now? Can you all see now?
Yes. But we are unable to see your face.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everyone. And today my topic is one fine day, which is moreover related to the wedding planner and also the event planner. And the main objective is we have to ensure the location of the wedding planner and also use the knowledge and creativity of the wedding vendors and also using some unique design ideas to create a very fabulous wedding. and to come with the trends, and also understand your like the person, like the customers who are approaching us. There we have to understand their need totally, and also to use the international trends along with the some traditional touch which shouldn't be lost in that during the event. So the thing is like we are around the 5-6 friends. We are planning to do this, the wedding planner thing, because I have a lot of options like this. Before that, my business description is this wedding planner is a Indian-based wedding planner. So they can provide all the solution for the wedding and related events, which is with which can be done within India. And also we bring equal style and detail to every event, consulting, designing and coordination, everything from venue to the team, like theme, from your first dance to the last goodbye. So that is what the business description is all about. And these are my packages, which include invitation, backdrop designing, decorations, decoration including the marriage hall or the party hall decorations, car decoration, and rooms according to their preferences, and wedding outfits and makeup for the groom, bride, and bridesmaid, lights and sounds, catering, photography, return gifts, and transportation. Out of which for the makeup, one of my friend is already a makeup artist, and then she's also a designer. So she can take up this makeup and the wedding outfits. And the other friend is my photographer from photography, so he can take up the photography session. And the gifts and transportation is taken up by another person. Along with that, the invitation and backdrop is designing is taken. All the works has been splitted between us. So these are the main packages which we are providing for the wedding. And the benefits of choosing us as a wedding planner is, the first thing is we are planning to make it as a eco-friendly. For example, we are using soya ink instead of the normal ink. Like we are tying up with the companies, like for the in future we are planning to tie up with a company which makes soya inks, which is actually made from soya beans, and also it is also called as a traditional petroleum based ink, and which is presumed to be environment friendly, which is eco friendly. And also it is very easier to recycle the paper. The only disadvantage of using the soya ink is it takes some time to dry when compared to other normal drinks inks, which is we are using for the invitations. So that is the one benefit. And the next one is virtual reality, which means like if the person or if the customer is approaching me, I can for the decoration thing, like for the backdrop and the decoration hall decoration thing. So if they are approaching, I can show them the album, or I can show the pictures which is there in the Google or something. Instead of that, we are planning to do this virtual reality screen, which in which they can select whatever the design they want, and then from there they can look for the, like they can feel how the decoration, how the color, how the flower decoration will look in a reality. So they can go with that according to their preference. We can change the colors, or we can change the the stage decorations, everything. So instead of just seeing the pictures, they can go further by seeing this VR thing. And also one more thing we are planning to do is we are giving this welcome drink, which is an immune booster. Like instead of giving normal tea or coffee, of course many people will go for tea and coffee, mostly elder people will go for tea and coffee. But but now the situation according to this pandemic and all, we prefer giving this immune booster in for next 2 to 3 years or something. So also any other drinks which they are affording for, they can select according to that while booking us itself. That immune drink is one more benefit. And these are the benefits we are planning. And according to the SWOT analysis, the strength is we have expert and the dedicated management faculty. Like we already have almost 4 or 5 friends, and we have better advertisements. We have the social sites, and then many other sites we can, like we know all the young couples are moreover they are traveling towards this thing. They wanted this thing, and then we have enough manpower, and then we have reserved cash. Like I am not alone doing this, around 4 or 5 members are doing that, so we can somehow we can collect the cash. And then when coming to the weakness, we don't have enough space for now because we are planning for this VR virtual reality, and then this auditorium and also we have to plan that according to the cosmetics and all. Also we are planning further. And communication problems. Since I am from South India, like down south, I don't know much language rather than 2, 3. So if people from North India or West Bengal, whatever, they are approaching me, I really have this communication problem. Maybe in next 5 years I can learn some language, or else I might have that communication problem according to that. And moving on to the opportunity, we have few competitors. For now we have few competitors, and people are showing so much interest towards this wedding planners, because it's just a one day, so they have to make it special. And the threat is we might lose the customers in future, because many people can plan. For now it's very less, but in future many people can plan, so we might have some problem of losing the customers. And also sticking to the same old ideas, like now we are doing some rituals traditionally, but then in the future also we have to we have to follow some rituals, but then some peoples might feel very, like bored or something. So we are not supposed to give that feel to them, so we have to make sure about that. And the marketing mix, it consists of four main pieces, which mainly focus on the product, the place, and the place where we are advertising, and the promotion and the price. And moving on to the conclusion, with some disadvantages, it is very profitable business. So we provide service to our customers as high quality, and they're happy with this. So nowadays, many young couples are showing so much interest to have a wedding planner for their marriage occasions. So that is where we are planning to do this wedding planner thing. And almost 4 or 5 friends. For now, we have 4+ friends. We are from different streams. We are planning to do this. So
Different
maybe.
streams.
Yes, so they are from one person is from photography, one person is an interior designer,
Oh,
and
nice.
one is a makeup artist. So somehow we can manage, but then we didn't do the interior thing yet. We didn't design the interior thing
Okay,
yet.
okay, good.
By 2025 to 2028, we can somehow set up this office, this whole office.
Where you are going to set up?
Obviously in Chennai, sir.
Chennai.
Yeah. Most of them, almost every friends are from
Or in
Chennai.
Chennai. But there
I'm
is severe
originally from.
competition in Chennai, you
Sorry,
know.
sorry, sir.
In wedding planners, stiff competition in Chennai compared to Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
But then we are providing a lot of things now, sir. Like we are
Yeah.
having this soya ink, and then we are giving this immune booster along with
Okay,
visual reality.
Okay, good, Raksha. How
Yes,
you
sir.
will mention or how you will face the cultural diversity? You told you are also from some South background. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That is the first question. Next important thing, who you will satisfy? Bride will say one, bridegroom will say another one, parents of the bride will say another one. Huh?
So
That is the
what?
problem what they are facing in wedding planner now.
So whatever they are saying, that our only motive is to satisfy their wish.
Because
It's their
both of
day.
them will vary, you know.
Yes, sir. Even now we are facing the problem. Like in our own home, we are facing the problem right now. So I know it happens, but we have to focus on the groom and bride first, because it's their day.
But the
So
amount is spent by the parents, you know.
not every place, sir. They're just sharing it. It's up to them, so that is not our problem.
Yeah. Okay, good, Raksha. Anyhow, you are having a determined mindset. Huh? Another thing, you are from life science and ready to move towards the wedding planner. That is another interesting story. Huh? That we had
Sir,
identified. What is the
yeah.
reason? Is there anything beyond that one?
Sorry, sir. I don't understand.
Because your core domain is life science. I think biotechnology or microbiology.
Biotechnology.
Then you are moving towards the wedding planner. Why?
Sir, I'm giving a lot of things now, sir. Like I have this soya ink. So that is
Yes,
obviously
that I
connected to
know.
this biotechnology and immune booster drink. And we are also planning to set a poultry farming, which the chicken is fed
Okay,
with
okay.
all the herbs and also like
Where
related
you
to
are
little
located
small.
now?
Originally from Salem, sir.
Salem. Oh, nice. I visited one college, Sarada College in Salem. Mm.
Yeah, it's a very famous college. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Only girls' college, huh?
Yes, sir. That's a very old college.
Very old college. I have visited that college. Then whether your parents will accept for this business?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah, they are ready to do it.
They are ready. Now at present you are in Salem?
Yes, sir. I am in Salem.
Okay, nice. Good, Raksha. Nice presentation. I
Thank you, sir.
appreciate your determination, power, and how you are going to manage the bride and bridegroom. That is also very nice. I think you might have seen some one Hindi film which portray the wedding planner. Have you seen that film?
No, sir.
I forget that name of the film. Huh? Very nice film which will portray the problems faced by the wedding planners. Hmm? Good. In Chennai also there is tough competition. Hmm? Very nice, Raksha. Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, dear students, it is almost 3:15. And now those who already submitted the video, anybody is now here? Yes, Ahmed, you
Yes,
can
sir.
switch on your
Okay, okay. Shh.
video. I think you are showing something different face. Huh?
No, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Ahmed. What is your plan? Where you are going to implement? That's all.
Okay, so my plan is basically to start a restaurant, sir, and it's basically social entrepreneurship.
Yes, yes.
wherein-
Where you? Which place?
Oh, which place? Mysore, sir.
Mysore.
Yes,
Why you selected Mysore?
because it's my hometown, sir. I know a lot of people here who would be interested in this particular thing.
Mysore, there's a severe competition, you know. There are number of restaurants. Huh? Everywhere you can see.
So
in
that's
Mysore.
what my restaurant is going to be unique, sir. So basically, you pay whatever you want to. You don't pay for the food you have eaten. So you pay for the next person's bill, sir. Basically,
Yeah.
it basically works on donations. So that's how it is.
Oh, that is your USP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you are in Mysore only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Whether your parents or anybody is doing that business,
No, sir.
you are the first person.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then you are ready to take risk, you know. But this association of restaurant owners, they will not ready to give support immediately. They will give some troubles.
I don't want that support, sir. I just need people's support, sir.
Not that one. You must know the political support. Whether you are good in politics.
We'll see how it works, sir.
Huh.
I can't say anything as of now.
Why? You must know how you are going to tackle the politics there. That is in Mysore. I know about Mysore. Different politics are there. One party versus another party. They will lead in one place. Good, Ahmad.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next person, anybody?
Sir, can I present now?
Now it is no more time. Whether you have sent the video? Whether your video is ready?
No, sir, I haven't made the video, but I have the PPT. I can present now.
Okay. Then, okay, we will start by 3:30. Any other presentation other than him? Other. Okay. So you have to complete within 5 minutes. Then we will
Yes,
go
sir.
to the regular. Okay. 3:30 sharply we will start. Then 3:35 we will go to the rest agenda. Okay, good. We'll have a coffee break.